Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the coolest kitchen gadgets that'll make your life easier. From time-saving tools to clever space savers, we've got something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. So friends, let's get started the video.
Number 1. Sink Organizer and Storage. The Reel-In. Under-sink organizer and storage is a versatile solution designed to maximize your under-sink space. Made from durable materials, this two-tier organizer provides ample room for storing cleaning supplies, toiletries, or kitchen essentials. Its adjustable height and removable trays allow for easy customization, while the sliding drawers ensure smooth access to all your items. The sleek, compact design fits seamlessly into most cabinets, optimizing small spaces. Installation is hassle-free with no tools required, and the sturdy structure holds a substantial weight. Keep your space tidy and organized with this practical and stylish storage solution.
Number 2. Rice Cooker. The AROMA Digital. Rice Cooker is a multifunctional kitchen appliance designed to make cooking effortless. With its easy-to-use digital controls, it can cook rice, steam vegetables, and even prepare soups and stews. The programmable settings allow for perfect cooking with just the press of a button. Its large capacity is ideal for families, while the non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleaning. The automatic keep warm function maintains food at the ideal temperature until you're ready to eat. Compact and sleek, this rice cooker saves time and space, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen.
Number 3. Cooker Large. The electric cooker large is a versatile kitchen essential, designed for cooking big family meals with ease. Its spacious capacity accommodates large quantities, perfect for stews, soups, rice, or slow-cooked dishes. Featuring multiple cooking functions, it allows for easy meal preparation with just a few settings. The non-stick interior ensures hassle-free cleaning, while the durable outer body provides long-lasting use. Its digital control panel is user-friendly, offering precise temperature and time settings. The automatic keep warm feature ensures your food stays hot until served. With a sleek, modern design, it complements any kitchen style.
Number 4. Electric Stove. The electric stove is a powerful and efficient cooking appliance designed to meet all your kitchen needs. With multiple heating zones, it allows for versatile cooking, from boiling and frying to simmering and grilling. The smooth ceramic glass surface is easy to clean and adds a sleek, modern look to any kitchen. Its precise temperature control ensures even heat distribution for consistent results. The stove heats up quickly, reducing cooking time and energy use. Safety features like automatic shutoff and overheat protection provide peace of mind. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for small or large kitchens alike.
Number 5. Electric Kettle. The Ovente electric kettle is a fast and efficient way to boil water for tea, coffee, or instant meals. With a powerful heating element, it boils water in just minutes, saving time in your busy day. The kettle features a stainless steel body for durability and a sleek design that complements any kitchen. Its cordless design and 360° swivel base provide easy handling and pouring. Equipped with an automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection, it ensures safety during use. The clear water level indicator allows for precise filling, while the wide opening makes cleaning hassle-free. Perfect for daily convenience.